Welcome back to Reenka Kitchen. In today's video, we'll be frying a crispy fried yam. Stay tuned and keep watching. We'll be needing salt, oil, onions and water to fry this crispy yam. Cut and peel the skin of the yam. At this stage, you have to take it easy in order not to hurt yourself. Slice the yam into any desired shape that you want. You ask yourself, how do you like to slice your yam? How do you like to eat fried yam? Wash the yam and allow to drain the excess water. And then we'll be needing salt, an additional sprinkling of little water in order to make the yam crispy. You'll be asking yourself, what do I need the onions for? I'll be adding these onions to the oil before frying the yam. I like the taste of onions when eating fried yam. When you notice that the oil is being heated, add the sliced onions and the sliced yam. After about 5 minutes, turn the both sides in order to fry the yam very well. As you can see, the yam is ready. The sweet crispy yam is now ready. Try this method and you will like to always eat fried yam. This is the second method of not using onions. For those who doesn't like onions, they can try this method. Put a piece of yam in the oil in order to test if the oil is hot or not. And when you found out that it is hot, add the other yams and start your frying. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.